Oh, hello everyone. This is the first series of Learn from Masters lecture. So today we will be covering slit lamp examination. So first, slit lamp examination is to examine the ocular surface of the eye. So how is the anterior most part of the eye? So it has observation system and illumination system. In illumination system we had direct and indirect illumination. So in a direct we it is subtitles at optic section, diffuse and parallelepiped conical illumination. So indirect illumination, retro illumination, specular illumination and sclerotic scatter. So in diffuse illumination we will be keeping 14 mm and with a low magnification, and ask the patient to close the eyes, and we will be examining the eyelid, eyelashes. So what are the conditions we be examining for tracheasis, discreasis, pneumobaby, gland, punctum, calazion and so on. So in and next ask the patient to open the eyes and examine the upper eyelid, if in any pus is any pus accumulated there, and ask the patient to look straight and thus check the lower fornix palpebral conjunctivitis. If any of conjunctival uh, discolorations having, or conjunctivitis red eye is accumulating. And next we will be asking the patient to look down and avert the eyelid lid, and we will be seeing the tarsal plate in if any eye crashes are there, or any something papillary conjunctivitis is there. So next we will be going for an optic section. It's a narrow slit, and it is known as a 2D view. And next we were going for a parallelepiped illumination. It's a 3D view. It's a broader slit. It is used to see the corneal layers. And next we were going for a conical beam illumination. It is observe the AC and tear menses in a darkroom illumination. So for conical beam we will be keeping at 1 mm, then focus on the slit on the cornea. We observe the cells and flare. So do you know how to check the tear meniscus height? So tear meniscus height is kept a small beam kept at the temporal lid margin, then compare the slit height with the tear film height. So it should be at 0.7 mm or 1 mm. So below that it seems to be a cross section of tear dry eye, low dry eye. So next we will be going for how to check on AC depth. So slit will be narrow, kept on the limbus, and it be two beam, wide beam and or a bar beam. So how will we be comparing the width beam? So we should be compare the width of the corneal band. The corneal band is a white band and a brown band iris. So it should be 0. It is marked as 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 is a close, 1 to 3 is shallow, 4th is very deep. So next retro illumination is kept, the illuminations and the observer is kept at the 45-degree, focused on the iris through reflected beam with the eye. Focus the slit beam on the iris through reflected beam with the iris. Corneal will be observed. So will be indirect. And thank you. We'll meet on another lecture series.